Param Shanti. In this video, Babuji explains us how we know God is with us or not in the path of knowledge. In devotional path, people remember their presiding deity or they remember Ram, Krishna, Vishnu, Shiv or Shankar or chant mantras. You are seeing how much power there is in the path of devotion. If there was power in devotion, then condition of the world would not have been like this. In the path of knowledge, Almighty Authority will surely help you, will give you helpline, will give you param light. Path of knowledge says you know yourself, be in soul conscious state. Soul runs the body, body does not run the soul. Body is a garment. Connect with Almighty Authority Powerhouse. Connection means meditation. Almighty Authority is great great grandfather of all souls, and you are great great grandchild. Soul receives power in connection with Almighty Authority. His subtle form will give you helpline, will make you feel that I am with you. Divine form of Almighty Authority will be with you, always help you in your day to day work and in spiritual tasks. Also spread vibrations of Param Shanti, which will spread in your home and all around the world. Those who remember you also feel vibration of supreme peace. Gradually everyone will receive vibrations of supreme peace with supreme happiness. Negative will become positive. Almighty Authority is your great great grandfather. He will help you. Deities did not have power, so no power in devotional path. I have already said that many religions and communities came on earth, then what has become the condition of the world? Transformation of the whole multiverse will be done by Almighty Authority. All solar systems, galaxies, universe, multiverse will be filled with vibrations of Param Shanti. Elements will change into supreme element. Vibrations of supreme peace will change everyone's stage with supreme peace. Negative will become positive. Transformation of all will take place. Process of liberation and life liberation will take place in entire multiverse, which you will see in coming time. What Bapuji has said will be fulfilled only when we understand his knowledge completely and use our thoughts for world transformation. When we feel change within ourselves means we are receiving power of God. In the path of knowledge, self transformation is very important and for which you have to understand knowledge. With self transformation, you will also experience power and love of God. Soul become negative and so the atmosphere. Every cell of air element is negative. Air you breathe is filled with negativity and its negative effect filled in physical body, subtle body and causal body. Therefore thoughts of the people become negative. In order to change from negative to positive, soul has to take power. Soul has to have courage because we have lived in the sleep of ignorance for millions of years. We did not found way back. If there was, we didn't pay attention. And if we can't change ourselves, how will we go back? It is the biggest challenge to attain our original stage. We must spend time in Gyan, Yoga at fixed time every day. It will be great if you live a Karma Yogi life. Remember Almighty Authority. He is your great great grandfather. Add relation. Love will bring power in the soul. Bad karma destroyed by the power of meditation. Soul will be enlightened by elimination of bad karma. With Param light, vibrations of supreme peace will spread. As Bapuji said, the soul has to make effort for himself. He should spend 8 hours in knowledge meditation, 8 hours in their job duty, and 8 hours of rest. We will bring change in ourselves by living a Karma Yogi life. We will bring ultimate light, Param Prakash, inside us. We will also be able to experience unlimited Supreme Father who is with us. Thank you, Bapuji. Param Shanti.
की परम शांति सोचो बोलो परम शांति
Join us daily for live meditation, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on YouTube Live. Subscribe now. Website www.paramshanti.org. Email us anand@paramshanti.org. Like, share, subscribe. Join today.